Home safety becomes far more dependable with the Kidde smoke detector, a 10-year battery-powered unit designed to reduce maintenance while maximizing long-term protection. This device focuses on delivering consistent smoke detection performance without the hassle of frequent battery changes, making it a strong choice for both homeowners and renters who want a reliable, set-and-forget safety solution. Its sealed 10-year battery system is one of the biggest advantages, ensuring continuous operation throughout the lifespan of the alarm. Once installed, there is no need to worry about low battery chirps in the middle of the night or annual replacements. This feature alone makes it ideal for bedrooms, hallways, and living areas where uninterrupted protection matters most. Equipped with advanced sensing technology, it is designed to quickly detect smoke from slow smoldering fires as well as fast flaming fires. The alarm response is loud and immediate, ensuring that occupants are alerted early enough to react and evacuate if necessary. The clear alarm tone is designed to cut through background noise, which is essential during emergencies. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, with a compact design that fits seamlessly on ceilings or walls. The lightweight build allows quick mounting without complicated tools or professional assistance. Once installed, the device operates independently, requiring minimal attention other than occasional testing. It typically includes practical features such as a hush button for temporarily silencing nuisance alarms caused by cooking smoke or steam, along with an end-of-life warning that signals when the unit needs replacement after its 10-year cycle. These thoughtful features enhance convenience and ensure that safety is never compromised due to neglect. In everyday use, this smoke detector stands out for its balance of simplicity and reliability. It is not overloaded with unnecessary complexity, which makes it easy for anyone to use, regardless of technical experience. The long-life battery also reduces long-term costs compared to traditional replaceable battery models. Overall, the Kidde 10-year battery-powered smoke detector provides a dependable layer of home protection with minimal maintenance. It is well-suited for families looking for a trustworthy fire safety device that works consistently in the background, delivering peace of mind around the clock.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.